Oh, half hour later.
Oh, I'm getting hungry.
Oh, you haven't eaten? Oh, geez.
Is there anything left? Probably.
Oh, yeah, tons
yeah.
of chicken. I
Good.
think they put foil over it, but there's tons of stuff. Hey, Mason, are you going to go or not? Because we're running out of light. Are you going to go?
Oh, yeah, someone's going.
Okay, Taylor and Mason, come on. Okay, someone count, because it's getting too dark. Are you going? Come on. Come on. One. Oh, I was slow on that one.
Okay, I think that's it for me.
Yeah, well.